Dang it, Luke.
Big bubbles now.
No, I wanted to get that on video. Sand shouldn't be bubbling like this. So yeah, someone tell me if that's quicksand, because it's like, I've never seen sand bubble like this. Like, seriously though, sand should not be bubbling like that. So if someone knows what's going on there, I'm trying to get the camera to focus.
That puddle, you might find a shoe in it.
I think it's quicksand, to be honest. The sand is bubbling. Right there.
There's one there and there. This one?
Yeah, that one right there.
Okay. That's great.
I got it on video too.
You're going to shove your hand into a puddle. Are you really concerned about getting it?
It's a puddle of quicksand too.
Nothing's happened.
Well, you didn't put any weight on it.
Oh, there's the rock.
There's the rock.
Trying to find a little kitchen.
Oh, that is deep.
Step in it. Come on, do it. Oh my god.
That is real deep. That's up to my elbow. Oh my god.
Step in it. Come on, do it.
No.
Oh, I'm so happy I recorded. We're ready.
Ew, it's sticky. That's so cold.
No, this is nothing. You should. The water that's flooding Wolf Cave, you should go step in that.
Ooh, what's this?
It's probably another rock. Some kid lost a shoe in there last night.
If that was the kid's shoe, that would have been so funny.
Come on, step in. He's not.
Dylan, step in it.
I'm waiting for there to be an animal down here. This is so tame.
Step in it. Oh my god. Step in it.
Oh my god. Now what? Because you have no way to get out.
Can I just pull my foot out?
Won't you sink on the other side? This is a terrible idea.
Someone push us.
Do not push me, I will kill you. I'm like a foot closer.
Alright, going through a flooded cave. Wish me luck.
There's a big old plank of wood.
Yeah, I know. This is the furthest I've gone in here since it started flooding.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, gosh. Oh, my gosh. You sure about this?
I'm all the way back here, I think. There's a bunch of direction wood.
It's getting deeper, dude.
It's actually getting not as deep.
Oh, thank goodness.
I'll wait for a second.
You want me to go past?
No, I'm just waiting. Ah!
Oh, gosh. I might just swim out myself. I do not feel like going back through there.
Ow! Ah!
Oh, gosh.
Why?
You sure about that, Dylan? Sure about that?
Here.
Whoa, I need that.
Go for it.
Dylan!
I'm just looking. Oh, God.
Hang on.
My shirt's gonna get wet. That's what I'm mad about.
Hey, try right there. Oh, gosh. Is it cold?
It is so cold.
Oh, that doesn't bode well for me.
Ow!
Hey, Luke. Hey, Luke. Okay, guys, that was really, really fun. Honestly, the water got waist deep in places and it was cold. I honestly kind of imagined that's what being inside a sinking ship would be like, the water just slowly getting deeper while you're in a dark, claustrophobic space. I enjoyed that. I've never felt more appreciative for the amount of space you have inside that cave, because when the water's waist deep, you almost had to go underwater. It sucked, but it was fun at the same time. So, do not do that. We were being very stupid just because we felt like it. It's supposed to start raining, so if a flash flood had come through, we'd be dead. So yeah, don't go swimming through flooded caves. It's just a bad idea in general. But that was really fun. Just because it was fun doesn't mean it was smart. And yeah, I crawled out the way he did and it was cold. But yeah, waist deep in that water at one point. I didn't get that on video because I was worried how deep it was going to get. So yeah, just disclaimer, guys. Do not do what you just saw me do, okay? I can be stupid for you, so you don't have to be stupid yourself, okay? But man, I'm just not kidding. That cave is usually, Wolf Cave is usually tight enough on its own. You can check out my video from 2 or 3 years ago of me crawling through Wolf Cave with Luke, who's at the very end there, I think. And honestly, it felt so much smaller with the water being that high, so yeah. It was getting kind of sketchy there for a while there, but... So yeah, waist deep in 50-degree water. Not a fun experience. Don't do that. Okay, it's waist high. It was waist high last night, and it's
People like swim.
even more
Oh my
flooded.
gosh.
It was waist high last night, and it wasn't this high, so it's probably way higher in there.
So we were close to the end.
Yeah, that was the end.
I wish it would have been like there.
Did you go through it?
Last night I did. Me and my cousin came out right there, and it was waist high, and that was before it rained.
And did all the rocks come?
What do you mean, did all the rocks come?